Hello and welcome back to KSHGR Tech. Today we are launching into an exciting exploration with our new mini-series Mastering RegEx in Python. RegEx, short for regular expressions, is a powerful tool in Python for managing text data. Think of it as a specialized programming language nested within Python and accessible through the RE module. With RegEx, you can create patterns to match particular characters, words or patterns in text, amplifying your data processing capabilities. Sure, regex syntax might appear a bit tricky initially, but that's why I'm here. This series will break down each regex pattern method in short, bite-sized episodes. By the end of the series, you'll be using regex as your second nature in Python projects. So, are you ready to become a regex maestro? Let's get started. But wait, before we begin, I have something very important to discuss. More than 96% of you that watch these videos are not subscribed. This is my humble request for you to subscribe. It helps this content reach more people and aids my goal to spread code literacy. In today's episode, we'll be working on the dot pattern method. So let's go ahead and begin by importing the RE module, and then let's quickly define a regex pattern to match any character followed by OX. So to do that, we do pattern equals to R that defines a raw string, and inside the raw string we say .ox. Then we go ahead and define a sample string to use for pattern matching. I'm gonna go ahead with the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. And then let's quickly go ahead and search for the pattern in the string. To do that, we simply say result equals to re.search, and within the parentheses we give the parameters to be pattern followed by the string. Now let's quickly go ahead and print the matched substring. To do that, let's say print result.group, and if I go ahead and execute this program, I should get fox as an output. Let's see if that works. And as you can see right here, we got our desired output. So that is it for the first episode in Mastering RegEx in Python. Today we learned about the dot pattern method. The dot pattern is used to match any single character that is followed by the particular defined pattern. Stay tuned for the next video in this series and you'll master regex in no time. That's it for today. See you in the next one.